Welcome back to Black Rock. I'm Scott. Here we're going to talk about one of the questions we get all the time is, how much does it cost to eat at Black Rock? Is it affordable? Is it expensive? What can I get? So we're going to start with our feature item. Our feature item is really our steak on the stone. This is our 6-ounce sirloin, served along with 2 sides. We just happen to have asparagus, macaroni and cheese, 2 of our more popular sides here. A little bit healthy, a little bit creamy and delicious. Everything comes with a rock sauce as well as our casino butter. So it's a great value, great bargain. This is a certified Angus beef, so it's a high quality meat. Cooked just the way you like on the stone, so it's perfect there. We also have a larger size. We have a 9-ounce, we have a 12-ounce, we also have a 25-ounce if you have a huge appetite. So everything's very reasonable there. Appetizer-wise, great starters. We have a good variety there, from our dueling pretzels to some different dips. We have lobster dip, spinach dip. Those are all very reasonable. They all start at under $10. Kind of go up from there, and they're all shareable. So 2 to 4 people can share those appetizers. So it's a great way to start. Get your meal started there while you decide what you want for dinner. Dinner options here. We've got our steak, we've got our seafood, we've got a great burger selection. A little bit of everything. Very reasonable, very affordable to eat here. You can eat for a little bit of money. You can go a little wilder, and you can spend a little bit more money on different options that we have. So come enjoy us, enjoy the different options we have here. Have a good time, relax, and enjoy Black Rock. We look forward to seeing you soon.